We're at Sugarloaf Key on the Key West side of the bridge, fishing bridge. This is where the KOA is. I'm just gonna show you for reference where we're at. Plus I'm testing my video. Bow Channel is where we're at. There's a couple people up on the bridge. Let's go see what's going on. Pretty windy, pretty bumpy, so we'll see how good this GoPro does. It's a GoPro 8, turned up the stabilization. Check this out, see how fishing is. Windy, that's for sure. Very windy. I don't think the camera sees over the edge very well, so. Definitely not jumping in the boat, are they? I like fishing over here when the current's running that way. Okay, we're back on Cudjoe Key.